right? So in the very beginning, just like our regular trade, okay, in the very beginning when we enter the trade, which is somewhere in here, right? You might be like, damn it, because of what the next day it pulls that little candle. And some of you are like, I can't do it. That's not the move there, Chief. You had a very good indication. It came down, it went up. The trend is to the upside. VWAP, or I'm sorry, the day EWO, everything looks good. All you've got to do is stomach through the first couple of days of this trade, right? So you've got to be able to stomach it. It's the same thing. Follow each one of these EWO levels just like you would if you guys were doing, right, a regular day trade. Now, look, same thing here. Look at this chop. Look how many times the colors change. See it? So sometimes it's not going to be all easy, street, and lovely, just like day trading. Think about this. You get in, there's a winner, you lost, right? I'm just going to say it just because who knows? You got in, you barely made money, you lost. That one didn't make enough. You got in this one, you barely made enough. You get in this one, home run. See it?